getting nice and cold in the UK now, but we've still got work to be done. So my friend messaged me saying he needs a clutch and flywheel done on his MK6 Golf. So I said, leave it with me, but make sure that you are on the camera. So we're having a little bit of a switch up today. He's gonna be on the camera and I'm gonna be fixing his car. Just for reference, my friend doesn't actually know anything about fixing cars. So he actually asked me how to replace a light bulb in his car. So it'll all make sense once you start watching the video, but let's get into it. I've done this car so many times now, it doesn't really matter, so. Whoa. We have light. Boom! Now we can see what the hell we're doing. Come off, please. There we go.
I can imagine it's quite relaxing watching someone fix a car if you know how to fix a car.
Yeah.
Like a bit of therapy.
Yeah, probably. I mean, it is for me, I watch it all the time.
Feels good speaking about cars as if I understand them. In my head, I felt like I had to do all of this to change the light bulb. that's what I was planning for. That's what I was expecting.
Cool. Right, so we've got loads of pipes on this one. There's pipes everywhere. Oh, hello. Stay there. Right, so I think the first thing I'm going to do here is take off the drive shaft bolts. Let's get the drive shaft bolts out. Now, wouldn't it be correct to... There you go.
Motion on that.
And there's your drive shaft.
Greasy.
So I've also just finished a service on this BMW X1. All I'm going to do here is reset the service light interval, and for that you'll need a diagnostics machine. And the diagnostics machine I'm going to be using today is the King Bolin. This is the eDiag Elite, and it's such a good diagnostics tool. It allows you to scan your car for all of the fault codes that you could potentially have. You can obviously go in and wipe them. You can go in and reset everything. You can go in and change, reset your service interval. You get free lifetime live coding. You get live data, and you get all the diagnostics that your dealership would have, all for free. Every single other diagnostics machine that I've seen, you have to pay a membership or you have to pay some sort of fee to be able to access all of these live features. So it comes in this really nice little carrying case, and it's a really neat and nice looking little diagnostics tool. So all we need to do is just plug that into the OBD port just under your dash, and then you just load up the app, which is called eDiag. And once you've connected to the car, there's a nice little beep which tells you that you are connected. So just make sure that your ignition is on. So all you need to do is just scan for the VIN, and then it will find your car, and then you'll be able to get in and do all of your diagnostics. And there we go. So all I need to do now is turn off the ignition, wait 15 seconds, and then turn the ignition back on. If you want to pick up one of these King Bolin diagnostics machines, they're super cheap right now. You can pick one up with the link in the description. I will also leave my discount code, which is left on the screen here, and you can save yourself some cash and get to diagnosing your car. Thank you very much, King Bolin, for sending me this out, and let's get back to the video. There we go. So now the engine can't move, and that's solid. Bubble, that's rank. In the middle somewhere.
The tube.
Yeah, that's the one. Tell me how I know if it's a 16 or not.
Don't know.
Done it too many fucking times.
This is the part where you tell me this is the furthest you've ever got.
I've never done the rest.
Yeah, you're gonna need a mechanic to look at that. That's weird. The engine's all wobbly. No, that is some good fucking bolt loosening action, to be fair. That's what they're here for.
That is what they're here for.
At least the wrist movement.
Now I can't get the fucking spanner off.
Here we go. Is this spot important?
Well, this is how you change your gears.
Ah, okay.
Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck. Drop the engine down a little bit. That's your support bracket. Pigs to get off. Oh, there you go.
Oh, bang.
Run. Is that not a 13mm? It is a 13mm. What? Right, and then that is your starter motor.
Nice.
Move out the way, please.
So when my car doesn't start, I just need to rip this out and just kick it a little bit and
Basically, yeah.
tell it who's boss.
Yeah. Which is basically when you put your clutch down, this pushes the clutch. It basically looks like a big dildo.
Nice.
There she is.
Oh, hello.
Hello. She's got a bit wrecked. A little bit excited. Little 1-inch wonder.
I thought VW was made in Germany, not China.
No, clearly not. Cool, so we have everything disconnected from the gearbox. All we need to do now is start taking out the bell housing bolts, which you can barely even see on this car, but
Nice.
just under here. We'll take the top lot off, or take the top two off. If we can get the gun in there. That's that one. So what we're doing is just making the top and the bottom, right? And then we'll get the gearbox bolts. Oh! And we'll put them in where they came out. So that one goes there.
Nice.
Take this one, wherever the bolt is. I can't even see it, it's down there. That one there. Put that in where that came out, around there somewhere. So because this one is, it's this side of the gearbox, so it comes, but it goes that way, so we put it through this way, like that. So we know that it comes through back that way.
I was just estimating how many years it would take if someone like left me with all the tools to like do my gearbox,
Yeah.
but didn't tell me how to do it. Like, how many months do you actually think it would take for me to figure it out? I would eventually get there.
I mean,
but I would have to learn like how the whole entire car works.
So we've got the last 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 here, and then the gearbox comes out. I need to prepare myself to lift this bad boy out. The disgusting thing about this is the gearbox will be held in by 1 bolt, and that's okay. You see it drop?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that one there because I've got nothing else I can do about it. And then
Bench press time.
bench press time.
That is quite heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. I'm just cautious of this because it's plastic.
You know, we were saying earlier it would take me 5 days to do that.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking I have to train for a couple of months to then be able to bench press that.
Cool.
Yeah, there you go. How bad is it? Is that a good sign?
Your springs are completely gone.
Yeah.
Look.
Drivable.
Your clutch plate has basically got no friction left on it. Like it's completely like, look.
That is smooth, isn't it?
As soon as it starts rubbing down these, you know it's gone.
Okay.
Like it's fully gone.
Right.
Feel how hot it is still.
I don't blame
It's
him.
burnt. And then this, you'll see exactly the same marks. Look all the burn. Right, that should be smooth and no colour change. It's all different colours. That is gone, man. That's totaled. She's had enough. She was screaming at you. She was absolutely screaming.
I drove it for 6 months as well.
Yeah. Come underneath, look, you can see exactly the same all the way around on here.
Oh, so the flywheel would need doing anyway.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the shit going on with it. Whoa, look down here.
Mate, it's fine. It's meant to do that.
No.
It is.
Oh my god. My tool just disappeared.
It makes sense. That's 6 months of me literally fusing the metal together.
Oh, hello.
There you go, that looks.
I saw that one, but it's not the one I wanted off. Whoa!
There we go.
There we go. So we've got the new clutch and flywheel. That one was absolutely cooked. We'll take the fork out of the gearbox and put the new release bearing in, and then we'll get the clutch in. Grease.
There's genuinely more like a McDonald's like ketchup.
Should be around there.
I was going to take some wood after we said that.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one. It's a 60. Spray this down because obviously it's brand new and we want it to be nice and clean still.
I've just picked it up with hard mode.
Literally. That one in there, that one in there, these in. Put them in like a star pattern.
Yeah. Get that massive thing over there back on.
That is the hard part, to be honest. Like, make sure everything's all good. Basically, and then you do the other side, and then you do a little bit, and then you do... I know, mate.
places they were before.
Yeah.
So you see this one?
What's the booth?
This one. That one is correct. And then this one is just slightly more.
Obviously, coming from me with my expert car knowledge, but
That goes in there. Oh, come on. This will only go on one way. Right there. Cool.
so it makes sense.